Alright, so I didn't take a test drive last night like I expected to. I was just too tired of shit and didn't want to drive like that. So I'm going to do that now. Car seems to be running and idling just fine. It definitely does need to be fine-tuned, but other than that, it's running great. Also reconnected my water temp sensor, so that's reading. Somehow it came disconnected under the dash, but connected that back up and it seems to be running fine. Idle's a little bit higher than I want it to be, so I'm going to adjust that a little bit before I start driving, but other than that, let's get to actually driving. Alright, let's go and try it. Well, we're moving. So much. It's always been out of my driveway, but nothing better than driving a rotary car after it's been down for, what is it, April now, so 5 months? Yeah, let's go ahead and say 5 months. Speedometer isn't all the way hooked up, so I've got to address that. Wonder what caused that to happen. Feel really fine driving. Clutch doesn't feel bad at all, or shifting doesn't feel bad or out of the ordinary. I actually feel smoother than it did before, but that's probably because my clutch was worn the fuck out. But I have no idea how many miles it was on it. Got kind of a weird noise going on. Kind of a weird whiny noise. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to the house and then see if I can connect my speedometer cable a little bit better. That way it'll actually read. And find out what that whining noise is. I wonder if it's the belt slipping. I don't know. And also, sorry this isn't like where you can actually see me driving on the road. I couldn't find my phone mount. I'm just recording this with my phone, so sorry about that. That sounds like it might be a belt. There's only one belt, so I think I just need to tighten it a little bit. Okay, well, that was the first drive in this car since December. So yeah, it runs really good. Belt might be a little bit loose, and my speedometer cable doesn't seem to be all the way hooked up because it doesn't show anything while I'm driving. So just those few issues, and I should be good to go for now. And then oh, of course, fine-tune the timing a bit. But yeah, that's not sure if I'll end this video here or not. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so first time at the gas station with this engine, and filling up the gas tank. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Gonna make two premix. Only thing I ever use. I put in about 6 ounces. Sit like that for a bit. So clear with the fart can over there. Yes. Nasty. Oh, and these come in really handy. Got this at Walmart for like 10 bucks, and definitely keeps oil off my carpet. Yeah, well, every last little drop is dripping into my gas tank. I'm gonna go and get a drink, and then I'll be right back. I'm just so happy to come out of the gas station and see this car out here waiting for me. So happy to drive this. It's a real fucking mess in here. I need to replace my rear brake shoes. But, uh-oh. Where'd my thingy go? Fuck. Well, shit. I don't know where my measuring cup went, but they're only like $1 or something at Walmart, so I'll just go get another one. But, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up now. See what it goes to. Okay, so I put 6 ounces in because I anticipate about 6 gallons of fuel going in. I was a little bit above the half mark on the fuel gauge, so we'll find out how close I am. Because over 6 by, never mind, over premixed by like 0.02 ounces or some shit, or 0.2 or something. Whatever. Anyway, full tank, and we'll see how she runs with the full tank now. And I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but I did reconnect my water gauge, and oh, it's working great. It's actually staying way below temp. I'm not sure which thermostat I put in. I think I might have put an aftermarket one in, because it's staying pretty much in the 160 area, where before with the 13B it would stay anywhere around 170 to 180. But it's not hot, it's pretty cool out, so that might play a factor, I don't know. But everything else seems to be fine, oil pressure especially. When I'm cruising, it's anywhere from like 145 to 155 for oil pressure, so that's not bad. That gauge still isn't hooked up yet. I need to do that. Yeah, other than the obvious timing issues, it seems to run perfectly fine. And I think I'm about 7 or 8 miles from my house, and I feel perfectly fine driving it to and from. And I'm gonna pick my daughter up from school in this car too, so that'll be exciting. It'll be interesting to see the look on her face when she sees my car pull up. Okay, so I'm back home now. Car runs pretty much great. Not perfect, but it will soon. And today was a good day, and I couldn't be happier. So if you like what you see, comment, rate, subscribe, and all that shit. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Instagram is @6Italia0. Facebook is just my name. And for those of you that are going to be in Vegas this weekend, I'll see you at RotarCon, because I'll be driving this car down there. All right, see ya.